dishes, healthy recipes, as well as talk about child nutrition. My name is Damian. As always, I'm excited to have you guys here today. So today we are having something so nutritious. Even your babies, your toddlers, your adolescents, and busy teenager, uncles and aunties in the house, mommies and daddies in the house is going to enjoy this recipe. Yeah, this recipe is for the whole family. It's not for only our little ones. They're not the only ones that will enjoy good, healthy recipes. We too, we there here. So this recipe, yam porridge. Now what comes to my mind when I thought of this recipe was the story of Jacob and Esau. You know that story now. You know that porridge. Like this porridge gongo was the reason behind this the story. But this porridge is rich in all the essential nutrients that little one needs for growth and development. This porridge is rich in carbohydrates, it's rich in protein, it's rich in good fats. Without further ado, please let's go straight into this recipe and let's enjoy knowing more about the essential nutrients that little ones need for growth and development. See ya! So first on the list for yam porridge, we're having the king or the star of the show, which is yam. Yeah, yam is rich in carbohydrates and as well as rich in fiber. Now we are having our tomato mix, already blended the tomatoes with bell peppers, onions, garlic, ginger. And we're having our Titus fish, already boiled it, deboned it, and yes, make sure you debone your Titus fish. It is very important because it could be bony. And we have our palm oil, and of course we have kale. Now first things first, I transfer the yam into the pot. Yam is also rich in potassium and magnesium, which supports the bone health of your little one. Now I added the pepper mix. I forgot to add, I added pepper to the tomato mix. Please don't forget to skip pepper for your little ones less than 6 months. Now I added the palm oil. When I said this recipe is rich in all the essential nutrients, you think I was playing. We have our carbs, which is our yam. We have our palm oil, which is a good fat. Yes, our local palm oil is good fat for our little ones too. So I added water. I added lots of crayfish because I love the unique local taste that the crayfish brought to this recipe. And it's very important for you to also give your little one varieties of protein, so crayfish is also a good option that you can add to your little one's food. Then I added salt. Please have in mind that once you have a little one less than 1, please avoid salt or skip the salt. So my little one is over 1 year, so I had liberty to add salt to it. Then after adding the salt, I just gave it a little stir and mix it together. Then allow it to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Now this is after 10 minutes approximately. So after 10 minutes, I noticed it's not yet soft to the taste I wanted it, so I allowed it to simmer for another 10 minutes. And yeah, you can see it's a little bit soft now. I already love this look. Like, I love the redness. I love my yam porridge looking so vibrant. So I added more water because I want it to be very soft for our little ones, and so that I will be able to match it a little. But if you like your yam in that consistency, very well, fine. So far it's soft, but for our little ones, I wanted it to be even more softer and to be able to mash it to the right consistency that our little ones will want to take it. So allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. So this is after 5 minutes, and yeah, it's looking so good already, and it's looking even softer. So I'm just going to mash it for my little one. So at this stage, I'm going to be adding our deboned mackerel fish. Mackerel fish is a good source of protein as well as good fat as well. So I'm just giving it a good stir. Now our kale is going in. Please note that you can substitute kale for spinach. I had kale at home and I thought it was a great idea to add it. And I just allowed it to simmer for 1 minute. Now remind you, kale is rich in magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, as well as rich in calcium. So kale is really packed with essential nutrients that your little one needs. So this recipe is so nutrient dense, trust me. I'm just giving it a good stir, and after that, voila, our yam porridge or yam pottage or whatever you want to call it is ready. Please don't forget to mash it even more for your little one depending on how they want it, and as well you could blend it or puree it to the right consistency for your little one at from 7 to 8 months of age. Yes, this recipe is nice. You enjoyed this recipe as much as I enjoyed giving you this recipe. Please, if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Yeah, don't forget to like. Yeah, thumbs up. Hitting the thumbs up and like is the same, don't mind me. Just like this video. Please don't forget to share your comments. I would like to know how you like or your little one like their yam porridge. And please don't forget to share. Please help other moms raise healthy kids together. We're in a generation where we need to be cautious of raising healthy kids. We need to be cautious of what goes to our mouth. We need to be cautious of how we prepare our meals as mothers. Please don't forget to share. Thank you so much for stopping by. It really means a whole lot to us. I'll definitely see you in our next video. Don't forget to purchase our Winning is Winning meal plan to help you. We have our Winning is Winning meal plan from 6 to 12 months and from 12 to 24 months. It's really going to help you to choose healthy recipes for your little one. I'll definitely see you in our next video. Until then, please stay safe and remember, we love you. Remember, our little one needs all the nutrients they can get from real foods. Let's raise healthy kids together. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.